Hello guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you're going to pay for Belgium nationality in MyMinfin. So first of all, just you have to open your Google browser or any browser. I'm using Google Chrome. You have to type it MyMinfin, and the first link you see is MyMinfin, and then you just click it, and then you have to click it Meld Nu. And then here you're going to ask for your IRSMI or another digital login or EID card reader. So if you don't know how to log in with IRSMI, just comment in the under the video, so I will make a video for it. So I'm logging with the IRSMI. It's easy. Just put your phone number and then send it, and then here the IRSMI going to send you an verification to your IRSMI app, and then after that you just confirm it. And as you see now, I just open to my MyMinfin account, and then you have just to go in my betalingen, and then you just scroll down here in nationality and vraag betalen, and then when you click it, you see they're asking 150 euro, and then you just click it here and then toevoegen tot betaling, and then you just betalingen, just betalen, and then you have to choose bankcontact, and then if you choose bankcontact for example, and then you just scan this QR code with your bank app, and that is all. Thank you, and see you soon to the next video.